Lolita, you got the hiccups. Baby, you got the hiccups. I don't think she has them anymore.
Okay.
Now she has tuto. Lola.